Guys, I have a director here that keeps on telling me what videos to make. But we're checking out now. We're going to our next hotel. So yeah, so he wants to see how fast it goes down. Can you guys see that? It's actually very fast.
We stop at 11.
Yeah.
No, we stop somewhere.
Someone is getting in, so we have to stop. Let's see. Flies. Woo. It stops again.
11.
Oh, we're at 11 now.
Your destination is on the...
Don't call me up anymore. I know you only...
You can eat, lovey. Guys, I almost ate with this spoon because it was in my plate. Look at how big it is compared to this. So I'm going to use Fubi's spoon because he's using a fork. And how's your food? First taste. It's supposed to be 3 times spicy. It's not even spicy. There's no hotness at all. But it's nice. Oh, there is that kick at the end. So I'm gonna add babes. How's the spiciness from this? How's the spiciness? Babes look nice because it's got cabbage. I want the cabbage. Guys, I thought this was cabbage. It's actually a noodle. What noodle is this?
Number 4.
It is so nice. Babe's plates are always nicer than mine.
Because I googled what I ate. And now it'll make it nicer.
No.
When you're drunk and feeling lonely, don't text me things you don't mean. You know I'll fall for it once and again. You keep me good.
Guys, we're going to the rooftop bar and I am exhausted. I can't walk up anymore. It's too much for me. It's like the stairs are not in. Oh, it's just there. Oh, I made it. Yo, I asked him. That's the place, finally. Oh, this place is nice. Anyway, love.
And you keep on messing with me. Am I just another girl to you? Just another girl. I'm always stressing and begging your love, boy. I'm craving. No baby, my head you'll check out. 보고 싶다고 해줘. 날 사랑한다고 해줘. You don't know a damn thing. 넌 나만 모르잖아. Quit playing with my feelings. You won't ever know. I just can't.
So, where's the light? There's the light. And when you walk in,
Famous on YouTube.
this is babe.
Going back, I'm falling for you. I just can't go back. I'm falling.
모든 호수로 sleep no 어디로 가는지 몰라 내 옆에 너만 너만 있으면 되는데 근데 가끔은 나도 묻게 돼 대고하게 live like a fool 또 바보처럼 행동하네 나 흥분하지 않겠다고 했으면서도 네가 외로웠던 거 몰라서 서로 못된 말을 뱉어
So we're venturing where I almost said no man ventures, but every man ventures here. Guys, my hair's a mess. So we're going to the subway. We are like already walking there, and YouTube. Yeah. So, is this it, Taibo? Yeah. So we're in the subway.
Yeah, we're in the subway.
This is my aunt.
Yes.
And this is my niece. Not my niece.
My cousin.
My cousin. That's how old I feel.
더 만나게 돼 Got me feeling bad now so 맘을 숨길 때면 아마 죽을 때까지 너 사랑할 것 같아 You're the only one I'ma follow
싶다고 해줘 날 사랑한다고 해줘 You don't know a damn thing 넌 나만 모르잖아 I'm playing with my feelings you already know I just can't go back I'm falling for you I just can't go back I keep on falling I'm falling I just can't go back I'm falling for once in my life with you with you with you
Seven.
Yeah. So we just tried the German doner kebab place. Döner kebab place because it's originally from Berlin. It's actually, the shop is originally from Berlin as well, because doners apparently were, not apparently, they do come from Berlin. They were invented in Berlin. And we had the doner chips, and I'm still having my drink. It was okay. I'm not a fan of doner. I've never had a great doner.
It's not German.
Huh?
Not as good as in Germany.
Maybe my friend tried a German one, like my friend, and she doesn't like German donuts. She says the best one she's had is in Cape Town. So yeah, she said the meat is like what I always say as well, that is the meat is dry, it's like stringy. So yeah. But anyways, I enjoyed the bread with the cabbages, and their sauces were nice. And fries, guys, fries are amazing. Here, everywhere we go, the fries are amazing. So now we're just walking around, what we do every day. We just walk around, we see what's around, and we stop wherever. So yeah, let's see where we find ourselves next. Guys, this is the Empire State Building. The views from here are amazing, from this hotel. Amazing. Babe left me. This is the view from our room, guys. Oh, I love this view. There's Times Square right there. And yeah, I prefer this view because yeah, it's beautiful. You see the buildings, they are like a bit far from here.